Why I think students should pursue a political science degree is because it is such a versatile degree. There's so much that you can do with a political science degree. The opportunities are limitless. I encourage freshmen to really look into political science program and see all that we have to offer.
My favorite part about teaching political science is getting students involved, just awakening students to sort of a passion for politics. KSU is unique in that we have a lot of hands-on opportunities for students to get involved, such as mock trial, Model UN, the Georgia Legislative Internship Program. And so students really get to not only learn these skills, but express them.
That's something I definitely learned while being a political science major and working, hand in hand in government is that, you're gonna have to work with people you may disagree with to get things done, even if it's not all the way what you want. It's offered me a lot of opportunities. I've gotten a lot of offers to, join campaigns this year, party leadership after I graduate and whatnot. It opens up a lot. If you put yourself out there and you network, everything kind of falls into place, and that's just how politics is in general. So it's really interesting.
Kennesaw State is unique in the field of political science, I think, in terms of the breadth of courses offered to undergraduates. I think my favorite part of teaching political science is doing simulation work. And I do simulations in a number of my courses. So for example, in one course, I run a pretty in-depth Supreme Court simulation where students play the current justices serving on the court, and other students play advocates, and they're arguing live cases before the student court. And then, of course, I coach the KSU mock trial team, which is a very in-depth trial simulation, and a competitive one at that, where students play attorneys and witnesses and learn how to argue case law, statutory law, and use a modified version of the real federal rules of evidence.
When you think about the lessons that you learn from a political science degree, they apply all the way across our nation's ecosystem, no matter what type of job or career that you look to explore after graduation. Our nation and how we're founded and how we operate is absolutely dependent upon students finding the things that happen in our government interesting and looking for ways to get involved. I was exposed to so many things in the world of politics because the senior leadership at KSU make it a point to involve the students in the overall political process. Any student interested in practicing political science, they should absolutely look at Kennesaw State University's political science program as the high watermark for acceptance and all of the good things that happen in the world of political science. There are so many exciting things happening at KSU. It is the epicenter, not only of Georgia, but of the Southeast. And you look at the quality of the programs, the quality of the alumni, and all the cool things that they're doing. It's a remarkable place to learn. It's a remarkable place to build a network, and there's really no other place like it.